I'm celebrity menswear stylist Ashley Weston. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I cover a lot of different areas when it comes to helping my viewers to look and feel their best. I'm talking clothing, hairstyles, and everything in between. However, when it comes to your appearance, there really is one area that most men tend to overlook, and if you've read the title of this video, then you probably already know where I'm going with this. That's right, it's the favorite subject of everyone from your girlfriend to Jonathan Van Ness, skincare. In my time as a professional stylist, I've learned that every man, even you, especially you, needs some kind of skin routine. It's like working out, but for your face, and should really be a part of your daily grooming regimen if you want to look your best as you get older. After all, you can wear the most expensive clothes on the market, but it really doesn't make a difference if you've got under-eye bags like Emperor Palpatine. However, I also know that skincare can be an intimidating subject for most guys. I mean, there are so many different products out there that it's easy to get lost in a sea of toners, masks, and moisturizers. Though I'm not a skinfluencer, yes, that is a thing, I put together my ultimate 5-step skincare routine for men, which, if followed daily, will help you to age like Rob Lowe rather than Rob Zombie. I've also included some of my favorite products for each step, which I've listed down below, and if you've got any other recommendations, I'd love to hear them in the comments. All right, let's get you looking even more handsome than you already are. So for step 1 of your routine, I'm gonna go full your mom here and say that you need to be washing your face daily using a good quality cleanser, not bar soap. The main reason why is that throughout the day, your skin accumulates so much dirt, sweat, and invisible bacteria, which can have some really negative effects if not removed. Also, if your face is not properly cleaned, then no other step on this list will work, and we don't want that now, do we? When choosing a facial wash, I usually like recommending a gel-based cleanser, as these provide a really nice deep clean, but if you have drier skin, then I'd recommend something more moisturizing like a cleansing milk. Remember, the fewer ingredients, the better, and you want to avoid products with a built-in fragrance. I always advise washing your face in the shower at night, as it will allow you to really get into the crevices and give your skin a good clean. Unless you're a heavy night sweater, you know who you are, then a quick and simple splash of water in the morning should do the trick. To wash your face correctly, simply wet your face, measure out a dime-size amount of your cleanser, and rub your hands together to create a nice foam before applying it to your face. Massage the cleanser on your skin for about 45 seconds before giving it a gentle rub using a washcloth to just gently exfoliate the skin. When getting out of the shower, make sure that you pat dry your face dry using a clean towel, and that you don't wait too long before moving to step 2, which is treating your skin. Now, when I say treating your skin, I'm referring to using products that are designed to work specifically for your skin type, or for dealing with any particular issues that you may be dealing with, such as breakouts, acne, wrinkles, dark spots, etc. This can include applying a spot treatment for any pimples, like a salicylic acid or a benzoyl peroxide, or even an occasional liquid peel if you're looking to get some extra exfoliation and remove any dead skin cells. One of my personal favorite treatments to recommend is an alcohol-free toner, which basically prepares the pores of your skin to absorb the products that will be introduced later in your routine. It literally takes 5 seconds to apply and can make a world of difference. Also, serums! Though not an essential, a high-quality serum can add some extra brightness to your skin and will slowly get rid of those age spots, acne scars, and more. It also provides much needed moisture, and a little bit honestly goes a long way. Now, if you suffer from acne or blemishes, then one company I would highly recommend for your treatment stage of your skin routine is the sponsor of this video, Vanish. Vanish founder Daisy suffered from terrible acne, and after trying every product on the market, she decided that laser treatment was her only option. However, shortly before the procedure, her plastic surgeon recommended an all-natural, non-invasive cosmetic tool that worked in conjunction with a vitamin C serum. This treatment proved so effective that it led Daisy establishing Vanish. So their latest collection, the Vanish Kit 2.0, features their patent Vanisher 2.0, which is a microneedling tool which uses 24-karat gold-plated titanium bristles to safely eliminate both acne scars, dark spots, and fine lines. Also included in the kit is a choice of either the Vanish Oil or Vitamin C cream for you to apply directly after the microneedling process. The Vanish Oil is made from the most potent form of vitamin C, which, trust me, is something your skin will thank you for. If you're looking to take your skincare one step further, then pair it with the Vanish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. It's crafted with natural pumpkin enzymes and AHA glycolic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin and helps with everything from acne scars to nasty razor bumps. Thanks again to Vanish for sponsoring this video, and now back to our list of skin routine tips. Moving on, so of all the parts of your face, the one that really shows your age the most is the super delicate area of skin beneath your eyes. If not properly treated, it can sag and develop fine lines, which will ultimately make you look older than you really are. This is why it's so important for you to start using an eye cream on a daily basis, preferably twice a day, especially if you are in your mid-20s or older. This is essentially a preventative measure when you're younger and a maintenance step when you're older. And trust me, this is the step that really separates the men from the boys, or rather separates the men from the other men with the boyish good looks. So at this point, you're probably saying, but Ashley, I already got some moisturizer that I put under my eyes. Isn't that enough? Unfortunately not, my friend. The thing about the skin around your eyes is that it's actually thinner and more delicate than the rest of the skin on your face. Best, if you want to keep it looking youthful and refreshed, then you're going to need to invest in a specially formulated eye cream. And before you say it, I know quality eye creams can seem expensive, but most are so potent that you really don't need to apply that much to see the effects. And if used responsibly, a standard tube can last you for up to a year or even longer. You just take a little bit with your ring finger and dab it around the orbital bone area, including your upper eyelid. And then you just massage it from the outside in until it blends into the skin. Also, pro tip, keep your eye cream in the fridge when you're not using it, as this can help to reduce puffiness around the eyes, especially in the morning, and it also just feels really refreshing. For step 4, it's time to get serious. It's time to get real. It's time to get moist. I'm so sorry, I won't use that word for the rest of this video, I promise. Okay, so of all the steps I've mentioned on this list, a moisturizer is the most crucial, and if you're not already using one, then it's gonna be okay, you're in a safe space. As you probably already know, the human body is mostly made up of water, and what a good moisturizer does is it seals the water in, thus preventing dehydration and keeping the skin looking and feeling refreshed. And when I say a good moisturizer, I do not mean your mom's Nivea body lotion. With moisturizers, you really do get what you pay for, but it's super important to go for something lighter, like a water-based gel or cream that works for your specific skin type. You definitely want to be moisturizing twice a day, and not just your face, but also your ears and both the front and back of your neck. When applying your moisturizer, you do so either directly to the areas of your face or to your fingers and then to your face. Don't rub it between your fingers before applying, as this is much less effective. And after all, we're moisturizing our face, not our hands. If you've never moisturized on a regular basis before, then this step will be a real game changer for you, and it won't be long before the skin on your face starts to feel less tight and much more supple. God, I love that word, supple. The final step of your new and improved skincare routine is one that many would consider the most skippable, but it's actually one of the most important, and that is using an SPF or sunscreen daily. So you may think of the sun as kind of like your buddy who provides you with light, vitamin D, and a sweet tan, but in reality, he's kind of like that college roommate who everybody loves but is secretly super toxic. Yep, he's that guy. This may come as a shock to you, but 90% of all skin aging is the result of sun exposure alone. And just because you can't feel your skin burning doesn't mean that that sun, that bastard, isn't damaging it with its harmful rays. The easiest way to combat this is to use an SPF between 20 and 50 every single morning before you leave the house, and this can be done in one of two ways. First of all, if you're time conscious or on a budget, then you might want to go back a step and get a daytime moisturizer with a built-in SPF. But my preferred option is to simply include a sunscreen as the final part of your skincare routine. Make sure to choose an SPF that's broad spectrum, as this will protect you from both UVA and UVB rays, as these are the ones that cause burning and wrinkling. Now, if you do go with a moisturizer with an SPF, make sure that it's only used as part of your morning routine and that you choose one without SPF to use before bed. The reason why is that SPF, if left on your face for extended periods of time, like more than 7 to 8 hours, will clog your pores, which is something you really don't want. Also, while we're on the subject, make sure to wash your pillowcases at least once a week, as not doing so can result in blemishes, breakouts, or worse. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.